2015 BMW X5. We're gonna do an Android radio. Customer purchase an Android monitor. First thing we're gonna do is remove this center air vent panel. That just simply pops out. No special trick. Just pry that out. Disconnect all the harnesses behind. Where is the locking tab? Here. Right here on the side. Okay, so you gotta push this little locking tab here, and this comes out. Disconnect that. Now once you get rid of it, you should have two screws here holding on to the monitor. We're gonna remove that.
What number?
Remove the bottom panel. We're gonna remove these two screws. There should be maybe two more underneath. Let's disconnect that. Great. Right. We're gonna disconnect those two.
Ok, ¿dónde está ese asunto que tenía? ¿Ahí no?
Push that and disconnect that. Careful. No. Use a panel popper, please. You don't want to break that cable. That's the video cable. Right.
Okay.
It's easier if you push right here. Use a panel popper. You just had it. Go ahead.
Okay. Push.
It's almost out. Yeah.
No. Why you force it like that, man? Let me see.
Tight.
Don't
It's coming out.
force it.
Okay.
You break this.
Don't want to break that because that's the video cable. Okay. Is there two screws underneath? Or no screws?
No.
Sure.
No.
Screws. Right, so no screws on the bottom, just the two on the top. Release this locking tab here.
Take the shit out.
Do you not curse, please? All right, let's take this. Jim, give me a towel, please. Remove that. Okay, protect that. Then we're gonna remove this. Release that locking. It's on the bottom.
Yeah.
Maybe easier if you flip it over. Push up. No, there is a locking in the middle.
No. It's on the side.
No, it's on the middle.
No.
This is my first one. It's in the middle. There is
Lenga. Tools.
See this? Once you push that middle in, it comes out. And carefully disconnect that. Okay, remove that. Okay, so this one has a fiber optic cable right here. We're gonna remove that. To remove, there is a little plastic locking pin there. You separate them and this comes out. No, you gotta, maybe you wanna push it on the middle. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Be careful with this fiber optic cable because you cannot bend it too much. Okay, we gotta separate this. You're gonna have to separate that tape because this has to go onto the other T-harness. It's kind of tight, so you undo the tape so you have a little extra slag on it. Be careful again, that fiberglass, you don't want to break it. Okay. Okay, so you put the male and female together without the fiber optic. That one you gotta be careful because usually they don't slide in too well. Surprisingly, this one went in good. Alright, so this fiber optic cable that has to fit, there are two openings there that has to fit outer end. This. Okay, locked in place. And we're going to put this back into the factory plug.
What are you doing?
They have to open up straight because a lot of times they don't fit too well.
I'm straight.
It's in? Went back in. So we got the male and female plugged it in. Now we're gonna have to put this white plug all the way far back up. Hang on a second, there's one more cable we gotta do. Alright, so we are running that cable up front, up to the top where the monitor is gonna be at. And that cable, that aux cable has to plug in here, I believe. Yep, right here. Then you gotta bring it down. And we got to bring this down too, so you might as well bring this one down as well. Is this a new bezel?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Alright, we got to plug it in this LDVS, whatever that pink purple plug is. Okay. That white connector. Some of these Android, they come with a microphone, but this one didn't. Okay, so let's temporarily just put it there for now. Okay. I guess I can just hook it for now. It should be okay. Alright, just hook it down. Pair that.
Okay, try.
Right. It shows the car information. Let's see, Carplay. All right. All right. So let's see. We gotta set the resolution for backup cam. Car settings, original car's resolution. Let's try, we set 800. Let's try 640. Turn on. Let's see. Nope. That's not it. Okay. Setup. Alright, so we have to set the resolution. Go to setup. Go to car settings. Then original car's resolution. Before it was on 800/480, which gave us all distorted picture. So I chose 1280 times 480 NBT. Now if I go back out, this is the original car's backup cam resolution before it was all distorted. It should move the line. That works. Okay, so we go to that. Okay. So that one. And let's go to Carplay. Carplay works. Now, only thing we didn't try is the microphone. So let's see.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, gracias por preguntar.
So microphone works. So everything seems to be good.
Mira, estos son los screws que tengo. Ajá. Yeah, they're gonna look after time.
Don't lose. Oh, great.
No, no. Okay, uno more. Aplasta, aplasta.
Put the top monitor down.
Espérate.
Still good.
Try the back cam.
I gotta have a panel. This one.
Yeah, sure.
The bottom has to be on first.
Hello. Ya faltan menos. No se lleva.
Works.
Ya te veo.
Sunday's weather. It's working.
¿Cómo está clima?
En este momento está despejado y la temperatura es de 73 grados. Las temperaturas van a bajar de